Question number 41. We will take E as common. Limit is alpha approaching to 0, e raised to the power cos alpha raised to the power n minus 1 divided by it is alpha power m, but we will divide this expression cos alpha power n minus 1 and we will multiply the same factor. We'll divide it by alpha raised to the power 2n. So it will be alpha power 2n minus m here. Now the limit of this expression will be 1, of this is minus 2. So limit according to us will be minus e by 2 when 2n minus m is 0, implies m by n is equal to 2. So the correct answer is 2. Question number 42. It is a very simple kind of problem of integration. E raised to the power 9x plus 3 tan inverse x, and this expression is, when we divide, it gives us 9 plus 3 over 1 plus x square. I can say if this is t, then this is dt. So e power t dt, whose integration is e power t tan inverse x 0 to 1. This gives us e power 9 plus 3 pi by 4, and for 0 it gives us 1. This is the value of alpha, and we have been asked to find out log 1 plus alpha to the base e minus 3 pi by 4, whose value will be 1 plus alpha. So 9 plus 3 pi by 4 minus 3 pi by 4 is 9. So correct answer is 9. Question number 43. You have to find the limit x approaching to 1, capital Fx upon gx, in such a way that it develops the value of f half, small f half. We can see when x approaches to 1, this capital Fx becomes minus 1 to 1 ft dt, and as f small f is an odd function, this will be 0. Similarly, in capital Gx, when x approaches to 1, gx approaches to g1, and the value of g1 is 0 because it is minus 1 to 1, an odd function. So I can apply L'Hopital. I will say it is x approaching to 1, capital F dash upon capital G dash. Now capital F dash will be, using Leibniz formula for differentiation of definite integral, small fx divided by x modulus of fx. Now when x approaches to 1, numerator is f1 and f1 is given as half divided by mod of f half. This limit is already given to us as 1 by 14, implies mod f half is equal to 7. So f half can be 7 or minus 7, but it cannot be minus 7, because if f half is minus 7, we know that fx is an odd function, continuous odd function, so its value at 0 will be 0. It should not have any other root, as mentioned in the problem, that exactly at one point fx is vanishing, and f half is, if we say minus 7 and f1 is given as half, it means while moving from half to 1 it will have one more root, which is not possible as per the given information. Therefore we will reject minus 7 and f half equals to 7, although you may have already picked up 7 as per the situation of problem. So answer is 7. In question number 44, they mentioned about the components. But in our opinion, the way the problem is presented, it is not possible to find out the values of 2x plus y plus z, and that too an integer. So we suggest it should be bonus. ऐसा हो सकता है कि वो चाहते थे कि हम s वेक्टर को 4p प्लस 3q वेक्टर प्लस 5r वेक्टर लेते हुए इस प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करें, पर जो गिवन इंफॉर्मेशन है वो हमें ऐसा लिखने के लिए इंस्पायर नहीं करती है. अगर हम ऐसा अज्यूम करते हुए चलते हैं तो ज़रूर इसको सॉल्व किया जा सकता है और 2x प्लस वाई प्लस जेड इक्वल्स टू 9 वैल्यू ऑब्टेन कर सकते हैं. बट इस करंट सिचुएशन में हम सजेस्ट करेंगे कि इसको बोनस करना चाहिए. दैट्स इट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 45. This alpha k is e raised to the power iota 2k pi by 14. So we can say that these are 14th root of unity, and by joining these 14 root we will obtain a 14-sided regular polygon. And what is asked in the problem is this mod alpha k plus 1 minus alpha k and mod alpha 4k minus 1 minus alpha 4k minus 2 are two sides of this regular polygon, and the length will remain same. So in the numerator this is given as 12 times the side, and denominator it is 3 times the side, therefore the value will be 4. So the answer is 4.